Play, go, do. We need to use these three words with these sports and activities. What activities take play, and what take go, and what take do? Well, I'm gonna tell you the rule, then you will find it super easy. We use play, guys, with sports that have a ball, like we play it with a ball. And we use go with activities that end in ing. And do with self-defense sports, fighting, okay? Swimming here, it has ing at the end, so we use go here, go swimming, not play swimming or do swimming, go swimming. Basketball, it has a ball here, so we play basketball. Karate, self-defense sport, so we say do karate. Volleyball, a ball sport, so we play volleyball. Judo, self-defense, so we do judo. Cycling with ing, go cycling. And finally, kung fu. What do we use here, guys? Play, go, or do.